Minnasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. So for today is lesson 17 and that's all about changing sheets or laundry. Changing sheets or laundry and that shitsu交換 or sentaku. Shitsu 交換 sentaku. I'll change your sheets is shitsu 交換 no shimasu ne. Shitsu 交換 no shimasu ne. Shitsu 交換 yun yung changing ng sheets. So we have the word bed which is beddo. Beddo. Pillow is makura. Makura. Bed sheet is shitsu. Shitsu. To change is kairu. Kairu. To exchange is 交換する. 交換する or 変える. 変える. To fix is 直す. 直す. Linen room is リネンシュツ. リネンシーツ. Blanket is 毛布. 毛布. New sheets is 新しいシーツ. 新しいシーツ. While old sheets is called 古いシーツ. 古いシーツ. We also have the phrase if you want to say turn that way. Diba nakahiga siya? Sabihin nyo, harap siya dun sa kabila. Haharap lang siya sa kabila. So you can say, achiyo mukimashou. Achiyo mukimashou. To cover is kakeru. For example, a quilt, a blanket or a towel, futon, mofu, or tauru o kakeru. Futon, mofu, or tauru o kakeru. Quilt or comforter is futon. Futon. Thick is atsui. Ito yung atsui na makapal. And then thin for usui. Usui. So words for the laundry. Laundry is sentaku. Sentaku. So we have the laundry room is sentaku shitsu. Sentaku shitsu. To do the laundry is sentaku suru. Sentaku suru. To rinse or to wash is susugu. Susugu. To soak or to put in water is tsukeru. Tsukeru. To hang out or to dry, isampay, hosu. Hosu. Kasi usually yung mga futon, yan usually sa umaga. Pag halimbawa, ikaw ay morning shift, kinukuha namin yan and then isasampay siya papaarawan. So, per bed, per room, merong assigned na araw. So, halimbawa, itong araw na ito, itong mga kwarto na nasa east wing, kukunin nyo yung mga lahat ng mga futon doon, isasampay nyo, papaarawan. To be dried, kawaku. Kawaku. To be damp or wet, shimetteiru. Shimetteiru. To fold, tatamu. Tatamu. Halimbawa, tutupiin na ng mga damit, tatamu. To press or to iron is iron o kakeru. Iron o kakeru. Washing machine is sentaku ki. Sentaku ki. Detergent is Sensei. Sensei. Bleach is yohakuzai. Yohakuzai. Washing or laundry is sentaku mono. Sentaku mono. Dry cleaning is cleaning. Cleaning. Rubber gloves is gomu tebukuro. Gomu tebukuro. Disinfection is jokin. Jokin. So next is all about sleep or suimin. So it's included in this lesson. So suimin, that's sleep. So for those who will ask, what's the difference of neru, diba? Verb of neru, to sleep, and this suimin. So of course, this is the medical word, medical term for sleep, suimin. So for example, if you're going to write or you're going to record, so you will see the term suimin. Sleepy or drowsy is nemui or nemutai. Nemui, nemutai. To dream is yume o miru. Yume o miru. Yon. Parang inaanto ka or naghikab ka is akubi. Akubi. To snore is ibiki o kaku. Ibiki o kaku. To sleep or to go to bed, neru. Neru. To sleep, nemuru. Nemuru. Sleeping hours is suimin jikan. Suimin jikan. To talk in one sleep. Nagsasalita ng tulog. Negoto iyu. Negoto iyu. Interesting, diba? To grind one's teeth. Pag natutulog kayo, nagaganon ba kayo? Hagi shiri o suru. Hagi shiri o suru. To be able to sleep or to fall asleep is nemureru. Nemureru. Insomnia is fumin. Fumin. Feeling lack of sleep, suimin busoku. Suimin busoku. To wake up is mega sameru. Mega sameru. To get up is okiru. Okiru. And then you can ask, can't you sleep? Hindi ka ba makatulog? Nemuremasen ka? Nemuremasen ka? Okay, and that's it for our lesson 17. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. じゃあね。